First at 6:30, a fiery motorcycle crash shuts down US 41 in Fort Myers at Edison Avenue. It happened around 2 o'clock. Fort Myers police say when they arrived, the motorcycle was on fire in the middle of the road. Southbound traffic had to be diverted for about a half an hour while firefighters cleaned up the scene. This morning, an entire family is accused of beating illegal immigrants and forcing them to live in box trucks. Investigators believe Virginia Navarrete and her 3 sons, Cesar, Giovanni, and Jose, ran the illegal operation. Investigators found out about the abuse after 3 workers escaped the property and found authorities. A plane carrying the Miami Heat is forced to make an emergency landing last night. A team spokesman says a mechanic on board the plane suffered a medical emergency. Team trainers tended to him and said it appeared to be a diabetic coma. And in a chaotic scene, a gunman goes into a mall and opens fire, leaving 8 dead and more injured. We've got the details coming up. An 81-year-old bus driver has been charged in yet another crash at Disney World. Authorities say the bus hit the back of another car at a stoplight Saturday morning. This was the 3rd bus crash at Disney in the last 2 weeks. The U.S. gained 162,000 jobs last month. That's more than in any other month in the past 3 years. The White House says the economy is turning around, but warns people to expect a slow recovery.
We've got a long way to go.
New Nokia phones will come with something extra, free tunes. Universal Music Group and Nokia have partnered to offer a year of free music on Nokia music phones starting later next year. The deal is called Comes with Music. Convicted child killer Justin Grodin will spend the rest of his life behind bars, but some are outraged about that decision. Grodin was sentenced this morning. A jury recommended he get the death penalty for killing his 11-month-old stepdaughter, Gretchen.